Hey folks, Sean here, Max Fire Training, home of the Max Firebox. Max Firebox, made in the USA, engineered to last, named after my son Max. Wanted to share with you what we have going here today because I'm super excited. Let me flip the camera here. Let's see. Alright, right here we have one Max Firebox crate getting ready for its road trip to Germany. So this is going to be going to a U.S. Air Force base in Germany. Super excited to be shipping this. So just, can't even explain how excited I am. That U.S. Air Force base in Germany is going to be utilizing the Max Firebox for right there, burning and learning. So they're going to be bringing them fire behavior and thermal imaging definitions to life. So this is the skid, the crate, that's getting ready to head to Germany. So our friends over at Insight Training, Mr. Andy Starnes, put together a thermal imaging training guide for us for whenever they're bringing the thermal imaging definitions to life. So they have the Bullard thermal imaging camera. You can see some of the highlights there of the Bullard camera. Our friends at Fire Wipes, so we always send a bunch of fire wipes with the Max Firebox. Max Firebox, made in USA, engineered to last, named after my son Max. We offer a lifetime warranty with the Max Firebox, so it's a one-time purchase. So you can see everything that's going in with this skid, getting ready to head to Germany. So there it is. Just wanted to share with everybody what we have going. So thanks for checking us out. Greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. All right, hey folks, Sean here, Max Fire Training, home of the Max Firebox. Max Firebox, made in USA, engineered to last, named after my son Max. So I got my friend Dave here.
Hello.
Dave is from ABF Freight, and Dave is going to be taking not one, not two, but three crates. So let me flip the camera here and show y'all what we have going. Right here is crate number one. This is 7 boxes of fuel loads with the Max Firebox. This is heading to Nebraska. So there's one crate that Dave's going to be taking for us today. The second crate is right here with 9 boxes of fuel loads, and this is heading to California. So this is going out to California, 9 boxes of Max Firebox fuel loads. And right here, this Max Firebox crate is heading to, Dave, guess where this one's going, buddy?
Go to Germany and send it in my hands. We'll take care of all your international shipping needs, and along with your regular shipping needs throughout the continental United States.
Max Firebox is heading to Germany. So right here, this is going to Germany, Air Force Base in Germany. Just super excited. And our friends at ABF, friend Dave here, right there, he's taking it to Germany for us. So appreciate y'all checking us out. Max Firebox is made in the USA, engineered to last, named after my son Max. Y'all have a great weekend, and thank you so much for checking us out. Dave, you got anything for him?
Yeah, your freight is in good hands with ABF. We'll take care of it, make sure it gets there safe and sound.
And you always have, and we appreciate it. Y'all take care. Have a great day. Thank you.